Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing a tool that's going to save you a ton of time and money if you ever download videos or audio online. It's called SurFast Video Downloader, and right now you can grab a lifetime subscription for under 20 bucks on Stack Social. No monthly fees, just one payment and it's yours for life. Most video downloader apps are either filled with ads, limited in features, or force you into expensive subscriptions. SurFast is different. It gives you unlimited downloads from over 1,000 sites like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and even Twitch live streams. And yes, it supports up to 8K resolution for the best video quality possible. Not only that, but you can also grab audio tracks, playlists, entire YouTube channels, subtitles, and even thumbnails, all in formats like MP4, WebM, MP3, and WAV. Let's break down what makes SurFast stand out. 8K video and high-quality audio. Download videos in crystal clear resolution or convert to audio-only formats. Bulk downloads. Save time by downloading up to 50 videos at once. Playlists and channels. Perfect if you want to grab a whole YouTube playlist or follow a channel and have new videos download automatically. Batch conversions. Turn multiple videos into MP3 files in one go. Live stream capture. Download streams from YouTube or Twitch. You can even schedule recordings for upcoming streams. Extra tools. Trim video or audio before downloading, convert between formats, and even browse content directly inside the app's built-in browser. All of this in a clean, ad-free interface that's super easy to use. What I love most about SurFast is the flexibility. Maybe you're a student saving lectures, a creator archiving content, or just someone who wants to enjoy videos offline without buffering. SurFast covers it all. Plus, no hidden costs. You pay once, get lifetime updates, and premium support included. So, if you're tired of sketchy downloaders or paying monthly fees, SurFast is a no-brainer. Right now, the lifetime deal is just $19.99 for 2 Windows devices, or $24.99 for 2 Macs. That's over 50% off the regular price. I'll drop the link down below if you want to check it out. Don't wait too long though. Lifetime deals like this usually disappear fast. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.